Okay, hey guys. Yeah, what's up? It's Amanda. Oh, I swear, I know there's. Okay, in this video, there probably might be somebody that goes up to my door, ask, "Can you be my mom?" Or something like that, then cry and tell me I'm rude. And then next thing you know, I have to block them, etc. etc. So let's get behind you. I'm gonna show you guys my house. There it is. Wow, I should be in school. No, I'm actually in my class bathroom. No, I'm kidding. I'm not. I'm actually at home. I'm sick. And yeah. The only time that people don't ask for me to be their mom is when there's like really big houses in the server. So we're gonna. Why did I take my bike? Because I should really just take my car. It's much faster. Um. Okay, so usually we don't get to the tour today. I don't know. But like, oh, that's an awesome house. That okay, the amount of detail they put into that is amazing. But how did they do that? Oh, I know how. I know how. See, oh, that's actually a nice house. Oh, looks like we got a new Gucci boy. No, I shouldn't say that. And they left it. That's actually a decent house. I would add some detail, but they're probably on app, so they probably can't like do the much detail like with the textures and stuff. Um, when there's like a lot of newbie people, that's when. Uh, and what I mean by newbie, I don't mean like poor and stuff. Well, poor and this is a nice house. Ooh, ooh, Gucci. This is a mess up, uh, mess up, up, uh, house that's mess up, mess up, messed up. Okay, this is a decent house. I don't really like the fact that there's a floating light, but other than that, see, like I mean, people that have like starter houses, but this person has a car, so probably have a lot of money or something like that, and just don't want to spend it on a house yet. I'm really struggling with how to do that curve thing. It's so hard. This is a nice house, actually. That's really nice. But I thought there was a person running after me with pizza. Okay, that's a nice house. Um, they have some nice houses here. I need to blow my nose, but I'm not gonna do that now. Cause I'm a lazy bum. Cause I'm a lazy bum. So this is a cafe, but I mean it's decent, but I feel like it's a bit UK. I'm tired. Oh my god. Oh my god. So as you can see, I actually have 43k right now, and I did get the excellent employee thing, which I wouldn't really recommend. I'm kidding. I didn't say it like that. I meant like no, I said it like that on purpose. That's what I meant. But I really hold on. This guy put a lot of texture into this. Like, ooh, do a split. Oh, get him, get him. And drive your car up. Whoa. Bro, you need to call D Field up in here. This is. Oh, I thought that would be actually quite hard to get out. No. Oh my gosh, don't crash now. There we go. That happens to daily. Okay, you see what I have to go through? Somehow I randomly started doing that game. I hate when that happens. Honestly, like it happens a lot. But yeah, I'm on Snapchat right now. Oh no, no, new server. I hate when it's like that. I'll see you guys when I'm on the new server. Okay, guys. Um, I got a server. So yeah. Ew, ew, that's dust. And that just got my there's dust in my computer, like on the top of my bunk bed. And there's little creases, and I wiped it with my finger, and all the dust like fell into my eye. Ow, I'm congested. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my house now. Oh, come on, this doesn't have my thing on it. I hate when it does this. Okay. So here we have my garage. I've been doing this style for a while. I've been doing this style for a while. And here we have a second part of my garage. And my friend really wanted me to do this. She wanted me to do a two-story garage. And this is actually really fun to just go up and down with your car and stuff. And so, yeah, and here is my house, like the outside. Oh, there goes all the graphics. Okay, let's do that. Wait, what? I turned my graphics on high. Why is it like this? Oh, there we go. So yeah, there. It's giant. It's a giant house. Let me show you guys the value. That's the value. So yeah, we got a doorbell, normal stuff. We got plants, lamps. We have a high chair here, dining table here, a bar right here, and my kitchen. Um, and my like living slash family room, my pool. I have two swims on the blocks, but yeah. And we got like a suntan area and these rocky chair areas. I feel like she's at my door. That girl. Okay, no, she isn't. Okay. Yeah, we're coming with the girl. This is too deep. I don't know. I don't even watch. We have this little TV area. This is the playroom. Yo, you know, you can paint this Gucci-ness. I need to stop saying Gucci because it's really crazy. Let's see, we got some like pants and stuff, pictures. This thing that I made, I did make that. It's just I like to paint gibberish. Cause you know how a lot of people like sometimes will make fun of you because you like to paint or something. They're like you're so childish or something. I don't know, that happened to me before. Well, boom, boom. And then we got this like, kids table with some drawing paper and stuff. This bathroom. This is just like a guest bathroom. So if you're up here and you really need to pee or you need to get your hygiene up. Um, storage room. Really plain. That's actually. And then we have this kids room. I know the walls don't really go with the room. I don't know. I got inspiration from a D-Field a D-Field video. So yeah, and I actually thought of this myself. To use these as headboards, headboards, headboards. Because I didn't really want it, so I got a cheap bed, and I was like, oh, I can make this look much better. So I got that. And they got their dressers, which I used the advanced placement, and this one's kind of misplaced, but uh, um, the bathroom. Why does this always look so brown, but really it's gray? Oh my god. And then the bathroom, which is just like a simple bathroom. Close. Did I close that? Yeah, but I didn't hear it. Oh, and you have a dresser right there, because why not? Um, in here we have my brother's bathroom, so that's why it's quite blue. Quite the blue. Adam. Who is Adam Plays? I don't know who that is. We got bathroom and stuff like that. That's my bathroom. This is my brother's room. He likes guns and tanks, so yeah, that's my explanation. And then here we have my room. It's really simple, which I honestly don't care about. And my desk and my brother's desk. And I have to include a tank picture. And my brother just started Roblox, so he's kind of a newbie. I joined what, Tuesday. Yeah, that's when he joined. Tuesday. And yeah, that's technically my whole house, but no, actually, I'm surprised that no one has came up to me yet. Let's see if we can. Adam. Let's see. Is this him? Doesn't really look like it. Plays Roblox. Roblox. YouTube Adam plays. Alright, let's go to YouTube, bro. Let's see if we can find him. I'm gonna say, I'm making a YouTube vid right now. LOL, because why not? Okay. YouTube. YouTube Adam Plays. So it's technically his user. And oh my god, I just hate when you can't find their channel. Like, if you guys can find it, yo, link it, bro, link it, link it, bro. Um, um, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and comment down below if you like my mansion.